Hello friends, welcome to Fin Ideas. Today we will learn long straddle strategy. Long straddle means buying both call option and put option with same strike, with same quantity and same expiry. The objective of making a long straddle are having a volatile outlook on the market or stock and want to profit from a rapid movement to either direction, upward direction or downward direction. Taking a limited risk and having an unlimited profit opportunity. Formulation of strategy. Say for example, if Nifty spot price is rupees 5,000 and we buy one call option of Nifty 5,000 strike, that is a ATM strike, and buy one put option of Nifty 5,000 strike, that is also ATM strike. Please note that here we have bought ATM call and ATM put option to make a long straddle. Please also note that even if we bought 5200 call or 5200 put, that is also a long straddle. The logic is same. We buy call and put option with same strike, expiry and quantity. Now let's have a look at the strategy's payoff. So first we buy 5,000 put option. Here we can see that we incur limited loss when market rises and we will make unlimited profit when market falls down. You can see in the chart also that when the market is moving from 5,000 to 5,100 to 5,200 onwards, we are incurring limited loss up to premium, and when the market is moving downwards from 5,000 to 4,900 to 4,800 onwards, we are having an unlimited profit. The payoff of 5,000 strike buy put is like this. We can see the payoff graph of 5,000 strike put buy. Here we are incurring limited loss on bullish side and unlimited profit on bearish side. You can see in the table, anything above 5,000 we are incurring a limited loss of premium, and below that we are having unlimited profit. Buy 5,000 call option. Now we are buying 5,000 strike call option and can see that buy call is incurring loss when market comes down and gives us unlimited profit when market goes up. You can see over here that when the market is moving from 5,000 to 5,100 and 5,200 onwards, we are having unlimited profit, and as the market is coming down, we are having limited loss. The payoff of 5,000 strike buy call is similar to this table. We are having unlimited profit anything above 5,000, and we are having limited loss up to premium anything below 5,000. The net position long straddle. So if we combine both the call option and put option buy, it will become a long straddle. The long straddle payoff table. The payoff table of long straddle is showing that we will incur limited loss if market remains in the range, and either side movement provide us unlimited profit opportunity. You can find this in the table that when the market is hovering around 5,000 levels, we are incurring losses, a limited loss up to premium paid. But any directional movement, upward or downward, we are having unlimited profit opportunity. The payoff graph for long straddle will be like same, having unlimited profit opportunity towards upside and towards downside, and a range bound movement will incur a premium loss. Long straddle delta table. The portfolio delta of long straddle is showing that we are delta short when there is a downwards movement and delta long when there is a upward movement. You can see in the table also that as the market is moving upside, the delta is also increasing, and as the market is moving towards the downside, our delta is decreasing. The delta for long straddles graph is also showing the same thing. Towards the upside we are having a positive delta, and towards the downside movement we are having a negative delta. Long straddle gamma table. Our portfolio gamma will be long no matter what is the spot price. At every level of market we will remain gamma long. You can see in the table that from 4,000 to 6,000 movement of market spot value, we are having gamma long at every level on each day. The gamma graph also showed the same thing. We are gamma long on every level. The highest gamma long is at the ATM level. As we are moving further from upward movement or downward movement, the gamma is decreasing, but still it is a positive figure. Long straddle Vega table. Like gamma, Vega will also be positive no matter what is the spot. You can see in the table that we are having a long Vega at every level of spot and each day till the expiry. We are highest Vega long at the ATM level. Same thing you will see in the graph also. Vega graph shows that we are Vega positive and we are highest Vega long at the ATM level. Long straddle theta table, and the portfolio theta will be negative. That means we will be paying time value for making this strategy. You can see in the table that on every day, on every spot value, we are having a negative theta. You can see in the chart also that we are having the highest theta short when at the ATM level, and as the market having a movement upwards or downwards, the theta value decreases. Long straddle Volga table. Portfolio Volga will be slightly negative at ATM level and will be positive either side. You can see in the table that at the ATM level, 5,000 level, we are having a slightly negative Volga. But as soon as there is a movement upward or downwards, we are Volga positive. We are having a positive Volga each side. You can see in the chart also, Vega is very slightly, Volga is rather very slightly negative, and any upward or downward movement, we will have a positive Volga. Long straddle Vana table. Portfolio Vana will be positive towards downward movement and negative on upside movement. You can see in the table that below 5,000 we are having a Vana positive, and above 5,000 level, that is above ATM, we are having Vana negative. You can see same thing in the chart also. Above 5,000 on every rise we are having a negative Vana, and below 5,000 on every decline we are having a positive Vana. Risk return profile. Maximum loss is limited up to the net premium paid. In this strategy, the maximum loss we can occur is the value we paid for buying call option and put option. The worst case scenario is if market closes at the same level where we have bought the call option and the put option. In this example, in our case, it is 5,000. That means if market expires on 5,000 level, this is the worst case scenario, as we will lose premium for both call and put. The net premium paid will be premium paid for buying call option and premium paid for buying put option. It can earn unlimited profit if market moves upside or downside. We are having unlimited profit opportunity on either direction movement. Long straddle trades. We are having a trades. Now we summarize long straddle. We have made 2 trades for long straddle. We have bought 5,000 call and 5,000 put option. Portfolio Greeks for long straddles. Our delta is positive on upper side and negative towards lower side. Our gamma is positive for upper side and positive for the lower side. Vega like gamma is positive for both cases, upper side or lower side movement, and theta is negative for both upper side and lower side movement. When to initiate long straddle strategy? When market looks highly volatile, it is the best scenario to execute long straddle strategy. Buying put will profit from any downward movement and buying call will profit from any upside movement. Taking limited risk of premium paid for buying both call and put will make this strategy limited loss strategy for us. Problem or risk in long straddle. Time decay. As theta is negative at every level, it incurs losses as the time passes. Risk profile and break-even points. Maximum risk is net premium paid. Maximum reward, unlimited on either side movement. Break-even point. There are 2 break-even points here. For upper side movement, that is strike plus net premium paid, and for lower side it is strike minus net premium paid. For more detail, contact us on our website is www.finideas.com. You can also mail us on info@finideas.com or can call us on 93749 85600. Thank you very much.